Hi, so in this video, I'll tell you about chatbots and I'll also show you how to integrate a chatbot on your website. So there's a difference between chatbot and live chat. Okay, now these are two things that can be implemented on your website. Now, in case of a live chat, there is actually a human who is interacting with the website visitors, with the people who visit your website. So at the back end, at the business end, there is a human who is chatting with the people who visit your website. Whereas in case of a chatbot, there is a software program at the back end that is programmed to have conversation with the website visitors. Okay, so in the live chat process, there is a human at the back end chatting with the website visitors, whereas in case of a chatbot, there is a software program at the back end, at the business end, having conversation with the website visitors. So if you want to visualize the scenario, this is what I have for you. So on the left hand side, you will find a website visitors, and on the right hand side, you will find a bot, a software program that is being used to converse with the website visitors. So on the left, you will find the website visitors. When he visits your website, he will find a chat box. When he starts typing into the chat box, he'll start getting responses from the bot that you see on the right hand side. So if I were to define a chatbot is nothing but a computer program that is designed to simulate conversation with humans, especially over internet. Okay, so a chatbot can be considered as your employee, as your assistant who communicates with people through text messages. Okay, it's a software program. It can also be treated as a companion that is integrated onto your website. It can be integrated in your apps. It can also be integrated with your messenger. Over here you will find a bubble and it says, hi there, how can I help you? Right. So this is one advantage of chatbots, right? As soon as the visitor lands on your website, he will find some message, something that initiates a conversation. Okay, so the bot itself is taking the first step to initiate the conversation, and hence chances of getting conversions from here are very high, because some people might not prefer filling up the form, but they might prefer to chat with someone, someone as in a bot or an employee. So it is you who know that it is a bot, but some people might not recognize this as a bot. They might feel that there's an actual individual who's having a conversation with them. So what happens if I click this bubble? So I already have a message over there which says, hey there, good to see you. I am Spencer, a chatbot from Maruti Tech Labs. And there's a message and it is asking me, so that's me. Now that you are here, what are you keen to know more about? So these are probably the services that they provide. So it says chatbots, web and mobile app, RPA and AI, ML, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So it is asking me, what exactly are you interested in? So let's say I'm interested in a website and mobile app. So if I select this, let's see what happens. So can you see, this is my conversation, and as soon as I select any option, I'm getting reply from the bot immediately, almost immediately. So it says, that's great, we have an experienced team who collectively have decades of blah blah blah. How do you want to build this app? Do you want it from scratch or you want to upgrade your existing app? Let's say I select from scratch. Let's see what happens. Immediately you get a reply from the bot, right? So that is the beauty, instant reply, preloaded messages, right? Now depending upon what selection the user makes, you will find the further conversations, further replies. What if I select this one, upgrade the existing app? Let's see, if I select this option, it says, can you please describe? Okay, I'm getting the same message. Usually you get a different message for different options. What if I select AI and machine learning over here? Let's see. If I select AI and machine learning, oh, artificial intelligence and machine learning are definitely the next steps in the digital evolution. And but first, you can please describe what you are looking for to achieve with AI and ML. Okay, so if you notice, when I selected web and mobile app, I got this message. That's great. We have an experienced team who collectively have decades of experience in building user friendly and efficient website web and mobile apps. So when I selected web and mobile apps, I got the message pertaining to web and mobile apps. But when I selected AI and ML, I got a message pertaining to AI and ML. Right? So that is the beauty of chatbots. So in this case, a chatbot can be active continuously 24 by 7 throughout the year, which saves you a lot of cost, a lot of expense, because if not chatbot, then you'll have to hire some executive, some employee to chat with the website traffic, and obviously an employee will have his own limitations, because parallelly at a single time he can chat with one or two people, whereas a chatbot can have conversation with n number of website visitors at a single time. So that is the beauty of having a chatbot. So there are many advantages of chatbot, and the advantages include accessible anytime, right? So day and night, whenever the website is visited by people, immediately they'll see a bot initiating the chat with them, and so you can capture leads in the morning, in the afternoon, even at night when your employees are sleeping. Chatbots are basically virtual robots, and they never get tired, and they continue to obey your commands, right? And they'll continue to operate throughout the day 24 by 7, and they won't take any break in between. And because of this, it really improves your website's user experience. So user lands on the website and there's a conversation happening. If he has any query, he is getting a reply instantly from the website. So it really improves the user experience. It improves a lot of handling capacity, because humans can only communicate with one or two humans at a single time, whereas bots can communicate or have conversation with thousands of people at a time. And no matter what time of day is it, and how many people are contacting you, every single one of them will be definitely answered, and almost immediately. So just imagine a case, a scenario where you own a restaurant, and people like your food, and most of your revenue comes in through food delivery. Okay. Uh, when the demand of food goes up, when the number of orders they go up, they rise, you will have more customers to take orders from. And suppose you have very few staff to attend them all. So in that case, having a chatbot would really eliminate this problem and cater to each and every person, and to it will ensure that no order is missed. Each and every order is taken care of, is actually taken, and it is actually processed. So you will find Swiggy, Zomato and Domino's and all these big players are already doing it. They have already implemented chatbots in their conversations. So if you have any issues related to your delivery, if your food is not in time, you can always initiate the conversation, and immediately you will find a set of automated replies, right? That is nothing but a chatbot. That is the most practical example of chatbots that I can give you. The next benefit is personalized communication, because chatbots answer the specific questions that the visitors have, instead of displaying generic and a long list of information, right? So the individual feels that he is getting personal attention, right? And the more attention a customer gets, the greater is his desire to buy something. Chatbots improve your response rate, because they can be programmed to respond almost immediately, which improves the user experience. And website visitors like instant responses, right? Because website visitors, like people like you and me, are very lazy, and we want everything very quickly. And in an era when everyone wants things or responses quickly, chatbots can come in very handy. Chatbots also help in automating the repetitive tasks, because people tend to sometimes ask the same questions again and again, and we humans usually get bored of doing the same things over and over again, especially the employees. And chatbots can automate these tasks, and they can reply to the same individual, they can reply to the same questions again and again frequently, and that really makes the process more easy, and it saves a lot of time, and it proves to be more productive. As I already told you, that hiring a human for a job can be an expensive affair, and due to certain boundaries of human beings, a single human can only handle limited number of chats at a single time. But chatbots can help you solve this problem, and one chatbot is equal to loads of employees, and it can easily communicate with thousands of customers at a single time. So we would only need a handful of people to jump into the actual conversation, and only when it is necessary. And hence chatbots will drastically bring down the expenses, your cost, and bring about a steep rise in the revenue and customer satisfaction. Okay, that is where chatbots are very effective. You should consider chatbot as an alternate sales channel, because chatbots are there continuously on your website, and they can be considered to be an employee who is continuously interacting with people and trying to make a sale. Just imagine a chatbot standing in your store, that is nothing but your website, and who is continuously interacting with people, solving their queries, replying to them, and assume that he is trying to make a sale. Right, in that way he is nothing but an alternate sales channel for you.